funny thing that I wanted to tell you guys about is I was out here battling mosquitoes all that time. Guess why? Because I was breeding mosquitoes. Okay, let me. Okay, update on the lettuce. These are containers that I used to, back in the day, my neighbor and I would go every now and then to get some seedlings from the store. And I stopped doing that, but at any rate, I went to get these to put my seedlings in. And why did I realize that those things were like waterlogged? Water was everywhere, everywhere. I was basically creating a breeding ground for mosquitoes. Green beans doing well. I got 2 right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pick these so that it can generate more and better growth. Looking nice. And my eggplant, they keep putting out blossoms, but no eggplant. Remember that one blossom that was coming out? Here it is, and it's not gonna live. It keeps faking me out, y'all. But we keep on giving it another chance. That's how God does us. Not a second chance, but a whole bunch of chances. I'm gonna let her go. That's what we have in a greenhouse. I'm very impressed. This is my first time trying to grow in a greenhouse, and it's really looking good for me. Go and check out my video about my food, my grain meal, and I'm sure you will be impressed. I'll probably attach that video to this video right here. Thanks a lot for watching, okay? Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell others about this channel. Why? Because we're not only choosing joy, we're spreading joy as well. Till next time, bye.